Hello, I am William Yates, and today we are going to be doing an experiment. Today's experiment is going to be a demonstration of the activity series between metals.
For this experiment, we're going to be taking a few safety precautions. We're going to be wearing goggles to protect our eyes, and we've secured our hair back. We're also doing this under the supervision of a trained professional.
So first we're going to make a copper sulfate solution. And we do that by doing what?
Getting some copper sulfate and then adding water. It is water soluble.
So since we have some crystals left over, we want to pour it out into two separate containers. That should be good. So we've set one of the copper sulfate solutions aside, and we are going to put this strip of zinc metal into the copper sulfate solution and observe what happens. So what do we see?
It is slowly turning darker.
What about the solution itself?
The solution is slowly getting less blue.
So pull up on the strip. So you can see that it's turned black. What do we think the black coloration is from?
Copper from the solution.
Yep. So we have an iron nail now, and we're going to put that in our copper sulfate solution. So for this next part, we are going to make a ferric chloride solution. That's good. That's good too. So we've cleaned the tiny black copper crystals off of the zinc metal strip, and we are going to put it into the ferric chloride solution. So we've left our iron screw in the copper solution for about 10 minutes. And what do you observe about the screw?
Copper has formed on the screw, but it's a different color copper than on the zinc metal.
And that is because iron is lower on the activity series than zinc is. So copper crystals form much faster on the zinc metal, so they're smaller, so they scatter light around, so they appear black. But the copper on this screw is much larger in size. What do you think about the white precipitate that we're seeing?
I believe they're impurities.
So we've left our zinc metal strip in the ferric chloride solution for a little while. And what do we observe about it?
It's slightly darker than when we put it in.
So this would mean, what do you think?
Iron is formed on the zinc metal.
Okay. So that would say that zinc is higher on the activity series than iron is. And so we can put them in order from zinc being the highest on the activity series, then iron, and then copper is lower than both of them.